Hello everyone. Today we're going to unbox this DJI Mini 3 drone that we bought on Amazon. It's a Flymore package with a remote that has a screen on it because I'm not so comfortable having my phone mounted to the screen. It came with extra rotors, extra batteries, the screen, and a little carrying case and a charger for the batteries. So we're going to unbox this, show you what we got. Okay, so open the tape here. I already kind of cut the cellophane off the top. Let's see what we got. It looks like it's all in this little case, so all comes in there. And then it shows on here that we need to install the DJI Fly app and do a bunch of stuff to our devices before we fly it for the first time. But here it comes in its little case. I'm going to open this up. Put a little pocket up here for accessories. We've got the 3 extra set of rotor blades in here in the top part, with some of the desiccant bags to keep it dry. We've got the remote here. There's the remote. The joysticks are someplace. We'll find them. And there they are, right there. Just take the joysticks off and they screw onto the controls here. Looks like you would hold it this way, like a video game controller, and control your stuff there. We'll put this back in its storage mode because we need to get everything all charged up before we use anything here. But there's that. Looks like the SD card goes probably in here. Yeah, micro SD card goes in here. And we have one of those we'll get in there. But we'll get the next piece out of here. That bag had the couple of charging cables and looks like a screwdriver, maybe to adjust things, maybe to take the rotors on and off. We'll have to read the instructions. Information on DJI forum and store, instructions, warranty information, safety guidelines, quick start guide, and then they included a little sticker for us. Still digging in the box for the bag. We have the battery charging box with 2 extra batteries in here. It has a USB in for charging. It has an out if you want to charge other devices with it, and a power button. Now, the drone. There's the drone. It's got a battery in here we need to charge up before we use it. These legs fold out. Those, I will read the directions. I'm not going to pull them. They don't move freely. This holds the camera and everything in place and keeps it protected when you're storing. That way nothing gets damaged, the lens doesn't get damaged or dirty or anything. You got charging connectors on the back and an SD card slot on the back. So we will get it all charged up here, and then we will show you how it works. But this is our new DJI drone we bought, so we can get some aerial shots. And we will get it all set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching.